Hey, welcome back to another day, Life of Kev. So, today, this little thing here going bye-bye. It done start cooling. I put Freon in it. Freezer, that's the lowest the freezer will go. Refrigerator, it's at 39, you see it's at 51. It's at the -5, it was at 47. So, they about to make a delivery, so I need to move this tape out the way. I gotta take these door handles off because they can't get it through the front door with that. And I need to move these chairs. I need to move this out the way because they're gonna need every ounce of space they can get. Let's see. But they might be able to slide through that. Yeah, they might be able to slide through this little corner here. But if not, I can move it. And move this car over to the side of the driveway. That way it's easy for them to
front door.
Easy for them to bag. I guess they gonna roll this thing on the dolly and then carry it in the house. So we move this car to the other side. So I got that car moved over, but my rolls are starting to come back in. The rolls are starting to go back. So let's go in here. Gotta move these chairs. And this table. And they should be here soon. I gotta take out, get them shoes right there out the way. I need to move this. Anything that they gonna be able to bump, gonna be in their way, you gotta move them. I'm gonna slide this over a little bit that way. I'm gonna take these chairs, I'm gonna sit them over here. Let's see. Yeah. That way it'll be out their way. So we're gonna start moving this table and stuff. Let's move these chairs. Except should they got all over right here. Out of the way. And I gotta take them handles off. I gotta clean the refrigerator out. So I find the right. Oh yeah, this the one. Take these handles off, cause they ain't gonna make it through the door with them on. Got that one there. We gotta do that one down there.
They're here.
Huh?
They're here.
Yeah, see? Okay. I know that. Huh? Let's see, just that quick. They done pulled up.
Someone's at our door.
We go let them in. Let them in, let them in. Go to bed.
You gonna take her?
Go to bed. Go.
Good morning. Morning.
Come on, right now. Come. Bring your little butt here. Bed. Go.
Swiggles. Come here. Yeah.
Come here, T. Come here. Come here. You alright? Doing what you're supposed to do.
Or you gonna put her in the garage? She can sit out there.
Garage door.
What dog you do? Bark at strangers.
I get that, Kevin.
Right, okay.
The first time is okay.
Let's do
After
this.
that, it's like, okay, go to work.
Do this. Just clean all that. I want you to go back upstairs, go in that bedroom, close the door. I handle the rest. Okay? Oh boy, they move quick. They already got that thing on the ground. Yeah, let me go ahead and help us so we can hurry up. They move quick. Real quick. They be up the driveway in no time. Alright, I snatched it out. I'm good. Come. Take these up with you. I'll get you when you're done so you can see how you want to stuff back in there. Alright, put the camera on. Yeah, as you can see, I got a new one right today. So, they shouldn't have no problem getting that thing in here. I would think they would take this one out first instead of trying to play musical chairs around these refrigerators, but hey, they delivering, so I'm gonna let them do their thing. I'm gonna sit back and watch. Just like that, they got that one out. So this is the blue one. Watch them bring that bad boy out here. Boy, it's hot out there already. It's hot, hot, hot. We got that thing delivered. And threw the oven on in there. Now I'm about to put everything back. And while I'm doing this, we gotta put all that food back in there. So I'm gonna put the furniture back and she gonna put the food back then. That's how we gonna do it.
Everything at one time.
So we gotta log into this Wi-Fi. I'm picking up a line. Let's see. We're gonna go with this one. So I gotta let y'all see my code. Oh, this ain't on wheels. We got our own plug and plug out somewhere. That's good. Good. Go ahead and breathe right there.
Look at you.
Alright, let's connect. Let's see here. Connected. I agree to the terms of the service for Family Hub. I agree to Family Hub privacy notice. That's just, come on. You want to receive marketing information? No. I agree to view information. So, okay, that's cool. I agree to interest space hour. No, I don't want no advertisement. Okay, agree. Next, ready to sign into the Samsung account. Oh, I got a Samsung account. I need my phone though, because I don't know my code. But let me go get signed in to this. I got allowed to that Samsung account. She doing the wee woo. She loading up. I don't even know. Maybe I get this thing turned on. Let's see. I got smart things. It says on my offer the following features, pictures, video. Okay, got all that. Sorry. We're gonna bypass all that. Okay. Let's see. Let's see where the temperature's at. That might be all in the screen here. So. Yeah, it might all be in the screen. Keep your hand shaking and down. Yeah. Let's see, cancel that. Let's see here. There's the refrigerator info at settings. Man, swear that ain't. We don't even. This is about Family Hub. No, we don't need that. Let's So I get this bad boy on and cooling. Let's see something here. Well, you got to scan everything nowadays. Let's see, what is this password? And then they're gonna send a verification code to get y'all. Your registration is now complete. Okay. So, done. Let's see. Let's go about Family Hub. See if it's gonna get us to the cooling features. So for Bluetooth, latest update, restart, reset network. Don't need none of that. Source don't need none of that. What is this button? Keep hands free, getting things done quickly. Oh, getting things done quickly. You might need that. I said, just using the voice. You can. We'll cancel that for now. Trying to see how to get it on, to get it cooling. Let's see. Clothing care, food. We come back to the monitor and all that. Okay. There we go, right here. Refrigerator manager. So, yeah, this refrigerator on is at 80 and the freezer at 72. Let's see what we can do with this thing. Agree and start to use. Okay, so this is powerful. Let's freeze this refrigerator. Let's recommend it. Which one on? 37, 35? So the ideal temperature for a fridge is 37 degrees. Look at that there. Oh, I hit a compressor on. Let's see for the freezer. The ideal temperature of the freezer is 0 degrees. Save. So, put that on. So that's just the gist of it. It's running, it's up. I'll play around with it some more. I'll come back to you. Them slide out to you, the drawers. You need a vacuum to get the styrofoam. Oh Lord, this thing playing music. Door open. Okay. So we're gonna sit back here and play with this thing a little more. It's 9:21. Yeah, it's 9:21. Let's see. There's a Droid base. So let's go back to the home screen. Let me go back to this one. Let's see here. Oh, sign in with that one. I meant to go back. Let's see. Cancel. It says sign in smart things. It says no cameras or doorbells added. Amazon. Welcome to your Essential Family Hub. Sign in with Amazon. What? So you gotta use a key. I thought I did that just now. Could have sworn I just signed in. I got you. So now I know when she be in the refrigerator late at night. It's gonna say doom 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 doom. Let's see. I already did this one time. It says, oh no. Do your essentials, go to your purchase form. Yeah. They showing some stuff now, buddy. Here you go, scan another QR code. Add items to your essentials. Okay, this just tell you how to add items. And you can purchase them probably through Whole Foods. Go settings. Yeah, no. On account your essentials. Let's see. You know they say movers protect the film. I'm gonna leave this right on here. So we'll scratch up the damn screen. I might take a thin knife and cut that bottom so to uncover the speakers. I'm gonna leave the rest of it on there. That ain't doing nothing. Let's go ring. So we got to sign into the ring. So notification. So let's see. Two-factor authentication code.
Is that text to my phone?
Probably so. Is that there?
Yeah, it's right there. I'm gonna listen to see what it
Oh, you got your things on? Sound like trash man out there.
281187.
281187. 830.
281187.
87. You ain't talking about
281187. 281187.
Okay.
And then it just said a new signing was detected.
So let's see. I'll make sure to put my trash can back in the right spot. Cause I like to keep my trash can in the garage. And so I like to keep it clean. I usually put water in it. So that way when they dump it, like mine, they dump it right there. When they dump it, the water get all the stuff out the bottom. So yeah. So they got me right. They got me right. So I'm gonna go out here and pull that thing back before it start raining. Be a good neighbor, you know. Neighbors gotta help out neighbors, so it's not but women stay next to me, single women. So I pull their trash can back for them. You know what they say? There's a TV show called Love Thy Neighbor. Well, neighbors be at each other's throat. They be at each other's throat, but you know, you take care of your neighbors probably take care of you. If you think about it, cause you need each other, you know. Hey, you might be out of town, traveling. You know, they see, hey, somebody at your house, they call you, let you know. Somebody at your house, hey, you know these people, they walking around your house. Hey, you got a pipe leaking. So like, my neighbor over there, we all got sprinkler systems out here. And yesterday, I saw the water over there. I figured it's from my sprinkler system. So I ain't think nothing of it. But when I went back out there that afternoon, it was even more water. So I had to let her know, hey, you got a leak. And so I told her what the thing is, her leak. Let's see. So I clean that thing here. I'm gonna sit up here, open the door, let the top stay open. So the thing is like where her pipe broke at, it broke coming in, so water coming into the sprinkler system. mean, coming from the street line into the system is where it broke at. So it's before the shutoff valve. So, because I turned the shutoff valves first, water still was coming. So I told her, like, only way I could turn it off, I turn all your water off to your house. And so I showed her how to do it, because it was just gonna run. It had a little stream over there, or whatever. You can see that box right there. It's full of water. There's supposed to be no water in there. There's a little stream running back here, running across the yard. So I just, leave the top open. I told her how to shut it off, showed her how to shut it off, to somebody can come out here and fix it. Cause, well, I tell you, them trades people, but they be busting you in the head. So she called them on a Sunday. It ain't normal business hour. They told her $916. Now I'm gonna show you something. I'm gonna show you guys. I probably could have did it, but you know, at the same time, it's like, this ain't mine. And if something go wrong, you will be looking at me. So, you know, I probably could have did it, but I'm gonna show you exactly what happened. So, that right there, this valve here, and the shutoff valve. Okay, so this the line right here that's coming in. Because you can see, as it comes around, it feeds the lines. So this coming in, hers broke right there, on this end. And see, if it would have broke on this end, you can use shutoff valve shut off, but it broke on that end. And there's no way to shut it off. Now granted, this ain't no PVC pipe. All you gotta do is I pull this up, dig that line out where you can get to the PVC pipe, cut the end, put another coupling on it, take that one off, put a piece of pipe in between, put that purple stuff on it to seal it, put it back together, and let it drag it and turn the water off. And it's done. Now they want to charge her $900. I know. I said, hey, I was you. I mean, if you can wait till Tuesday, it's gonna be a little cheaper than $900. Nah, they charge $80 to come out, not the parts. But you ain't need about this much pipe. Maybe that much pipe. The two little ends. You talking about maybe $5, $6. Maybe $6 in parts. Nah, ain't no way. And this, I tell you, this is how they rip you off. This is exactly how they rip you off. I ain't gonna say they rip you off, because you know, you paying for the knowledge. You ain't paying for what they fixing. You paying for their knowledge and time. So, I said, nah, ain't no way the labor gonna be $700. I said, nah, I'll wait. So I'm about to push this doorbell and see if this thing come up on this refrigerator. Yeah, I seen when I painted this on a DIY.
Someone's at front door.
Let's see if it came up on here. Oh, okay. There you go. Voila. You see the doorbell work? I got gas. Smart reorder. Let's see, view inside. Let's see what it looks like inside. Item line plain view. Let's see, where's this camera at? There's a view in inside. Let's see where this camera at. Oh, is that the camera? This thing say remove. So, oh, there go the cameras right there. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. So that got to flip closed in there. See if they open back up on its own. Oh yeah, that's how it works. Okay. So, we will need to see this again. It says items not in plain view of the camera inside door or placed behind other items may not be recognized. Place food items with its most identifying feature and brand label facing to the door. Okay, that's all self-explanatory. Let's see. Let's see if it see me. Inside fridge. No, it don't show me. Just please add food item. See food list. We got nothing on the food list. Inside fridge. Of course, this ain't gonna work because the door is open. Let's see, does that something to do with it? Okay, so we got past that. Let's see what else we can see on here. Cooking. So you got some recipes, favorites, pet care. Care for your furry friend even when you're not home. Let's see what that is. Holding care, food, more service, home monitoring. Doors open, please close door, family hub. Okay, I got that. Well, it didn't do nothing for pet care, it's circled, but I guess the doors might have to be closed for that to come up. Let's see what it's on here. Devices, let's see what devices on here. Oh, they got all my smart things stuff on here. So it look like I need to add. No, I ain't add no device. Let's see. See, I like gadgets. So I always have a lot of gadgets and all kind of stuff. Let's go back. Let's see here. How you get to the apps? Let's see. What's that? Nope, don't want that. Settings. So I'm the only apps on here. Smart view. Smart view. Save device mirroring screen. I don't need that. So we got 6 messages. Daily tips. Oh, see. Video. No videos. Settings, display, clean mode, wallpapers, tap view, cover screen, so we don't need none of that. Security, Bixby settings, let's see, sound feedback. Well, you kind of see what I'm getting at. What they can do, a lot of stuff. I gotta sit down and play with it, see what all. So we get it 100% set up to see, we're gonna get some rain today. It's so cloudy. Let you know that door open. This ain't what I want. Go to home screen. Let me go home. Okay, Spotify. No, we ain't got no Spotify. You want some YouTube? Yeah, we'll put YouTube on there. How to add shortcuts. I ain't reading all this. So we log into our YouTube. App icon. Yep, add. I gotta log in. Sign in. So I'm gonna sit and play with this thing a little more. Now I'm gonna come back to you. So we've been playing around with this thing a little bit. Let's see here. We got videos. Nice sunset picture right there. Got this one. Drop a gear, drop a gear. Watch that left leg come up, drop a gear. I'm gonna drop that thing, boy. Be out of here. But you can see that vlog. That vlog is already out, so you can go to Life of Kid. You can see that vlog. It is already out, but hey, we gotta set up pretty much what we gonna get it done with. We gotta set up pretty much. So we got slideshows. Yeah, I know she was a truck driver. But man, that's gonna wrap the vlog for today. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, click that bell. That bell let you know every time I post. Till then, we out. Say tinkle, tinkle, tinkle.